Hi guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'll be propagating succulent from leaves through soil propagation. So if you want to know how to do it step by step, just keep on watching. Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. Ngayon, ang gagawin natin ay magpa-propagate tayo ng succulent from leaves through soil propagation. So, ito ang ating mga succulent guys. Hindi lang ito galing sa isang succulent, kundi halo-halo na ito sila guys. Ito naman ang ating soil mix. So, ito guys, merong 70% coco peat, 20% carbonized rice hull, at 10% na maliliit na pumice. Also, make sure guys na merong drainage hole yung lalagyan mo. And guys, ako kasi pinapropagate ko ang succulent leaves 1 day after kunin sa mother plant para ma-air dry pa siya. So, the first step guys is flat the surface of your soil mix. So, the step 2 guys is lay the leaves on a bed of soil mix and gently push the bottom part of the leaves in the soil mix. You can place them according to your wish, but in my case, I will try to make a symmetry design so that it looks good in the video. But this is not necessary guys, kasi kahit hindi organize yung pagkakalagay mo, basta't maayos lang yung pagkakapatong mo, tutubo yan. Actually, madali lang mag-propagate guys, lalo na kapag soil propagation yung gagamitin. Kasi yung soil propagation is easier than water propagation, while the water propagation is faster than soil propagation. So if you want to propagate your succulent in short period of time, then you should use the water propagation. But if you're a beginner, you should use soil propagation. Step 3 is place it on indirect sunlight until the new plants are established. Step 4. Use spray bottle to mist the soil. Rooting succulents need a bit more water than adults, but too much water will cause them to rot and die. So instead of watering, use a spray bottle to mist the soil every day. So that's all for this video guys. I hope that marami kayong natutunan sa video ito. Kung nagustuhan mo ang video ito, click the like, thumbs up, at kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, click the subscribe button at notification bell para updated ka sa mga video na i-upload ko. Thank you!